In this training video, we will cover the reporting feature of Insights and learn how it works. The reporting section of Insights is where businesses can draft, run, send, and view configured reports that have been created for the Insights account. To get to reporting, log into the app, tap on the main menu, and then tap Reporting. All user types, except for the stylist user, have access to this. There won't be any reports here by default. This is for configured reports that the business can request for a fee. If the account does have any reports, we can generate it from here in the app or on the full website, which is really based on the user's preference. It will be a little easier to generate on a computer since it needs to export to Excel or Adobe. Now for this training, we're really focused on how to run reports from here and not what is in the reports themselves, because as mentioned, this will be a configured report based on the business's request. In this account, we can see one report, the usage report. Let's take a look at this report, which gives a quick rundown of the Insights account login activity. Click on the report to start. Now we have the option to run a new report or look at a report from the past with the status. Most of these are archived because they've expired. Tap on the plus icon to run a new version of this report. First, choose the companies that will show the locations that the report can show data for from the dropdown. We only have one location for this example. If this were a multi-location account, we would see the option to consolidate data. Consolidate data only applies when choosing more than one location, and when enabled, it will combine those location totals, making it look like it is just one location. Next, choose the export type, Excel or PDF. Then choose the start and end dates to determine the date range that the report will run. Tap Next to continue. Here, choose when the report will expire from the dropdown. Next, choose which locations will have access to this report, which is only going to be the one for this example. This option only shares the report with a location. It doesn't mean that this location's data will show in it. The company's step on the previous page determines that. Then, set up viewing permissions by choosing a number 1 through 5. These are based on the Insights user types that are set up in the admin panel. 1 is for owners, 2 is for region managers, 3 for district managers, 4 is location managers, and 5 is for employees. The number that is set for the user permission level will allow that user type and the other user types that are above that level to access this report. For example, setting this to 5 will give all users access, since employees are the lowest level. We will set it to 1 for this report. Every report can be password protected by entering a password in this field, but it is optional to use. If we are using a password, we can then choose to send it in emails or not. If it is not sent via email, the business will need to share it with employees another way. This report can also be emailed to certain employees once it's ready, even ones that don't have an Insights login. This comes in handy if there is a group of employees that need to view this report, as it enables the business to take care of this step here in the app. Once all the report details are set, click Run. Back on the reporting page, it shows this report is pending. We can leave the page and come back later to download the report once it has processed. The data that is included in the report will determine how long it takes to process. To access a report once it is complete, go back to Reporting, click on the report name, and then click on the date. And from the options that appear, we can download, rerun, or delete the report. The option to rerun is useful When the metrics have changed from the last time the report was run, and the business wants to see the most up-to-date data and use this report's settings, click on Download to view and access the report. Once the file is downloaded, it will open in either Excel or the computer's PDF reader, based on the export type chosen. This was set to Excel, and with that file open, we can see the report from here. From here, businesses can filter the report data to their liking. That's it for this training video. Thanks for watching.